Okay, here's this tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Where is that written? It's this one, Tab A. And here's a plastic cover for it. It's exactly for this model. It has these cutouts. That's for the speaker. That's for the USB Type-C. And another speaker. Half of it is clear, half of it is matte. It's not fully transparent. That's for the camera. We have some buttons here on the right side. Those have their special places there. Okay, and just insert it, press it, and voila, clear plastic case for a tablet. It's cut out, you can access it, you can hear the sound, and you can shoot a video. As you can see, it's protecting it. It's almost in line. The camera is a little bit inside. The headphone jack is accessible. That probably is a microphone, I'm not sure. On the front, the side is taller, so the screen is lower. This one is taller. It's protecting the screen if you put it down on a hard surface. That's the tablet. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.